Alright everybody, 2 days ago I rolled my mower down a ravine about 40 feet. It rolled over 3 times and bounced around off a few trees. Came to a stop upside down at the very bottom, and I thought the mower was done for. I had a good friend come out and help me yesterday pull it out of the ravine, which went amazingly well. The deck is off because it had to come off in order to pull the mower out of the ravine, and the hood is off because it didn't survive the fall. So, much to my surprise, she does run though, so we're gonna fire it up here. Need a little bit of throttle, a lot of bit of choke. Brake is on. I just wasn't quick enough there. It's hard to do this with one hand. So much to my surprise, after going over the ravine, rolling 3 times, once on the side, twice end over end, it does run. It drives, it steers, does everything it should. However, it is leaking hydraulic oil. I still got to figure that out before I put the deck or plow back on, because I'm sure I won't have any lift. Did seem slower. This is a hydraulic drive though, so that could be related to my leak. But all in all, for what happened to this thing, rolling over multiple times, man, she's intact, she's running. Got some things that are tweaked.